In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 5 circular options infographic slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click, it will show you the 5 option, the title, and then for each option I've provided some different color, and when I click, it will give you the detail of each option, and again on my next click it will give the icon for each option. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and if you like, you can support my channel through PayPal or Patreon. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides, go to insert shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to choose the oval shape. Just click it here, shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to make the height and width as 1.8. and again make sure this align center, align middle, and I'm going to right mouse click, go to the format shape, and I'm going to give maybe a 40% transparent. Now I'm going to duplicate this slide by pressing the shape by pressing Ctrl D. Alright, and you can give some other color if you want, and again align center, align middle, and I'm going to make this as 3, height and width. Again make sure it is align center, align middle, and send this to back. And I'm going to duplicate this one more time, and now I'm going to give maybe 5.8 the height and width. Alright, give some different color, and then align center, align middle, and then send this to back. Alright, so you can see here I've added 3 shapes. The next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this light blue oval shape into 5 equal parts. Now from where to cut, that we can do with the help of a 5-point star. Go to the insert shapes. From the stars and banners, I'm going to choose a 5-point star, draw a 5-point star by holding the shift key, and you can see the small orange point. Just drag this inside. Alright, and align center, align middle. Alright, make sure that this is properly, this should be bigger than the circle. Okay, so that we know exactly. Okay, so let me just put it center. Yeah, so now I know from this point I need to cut. To cut this particular shape, what I'm going to do is go to insert shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to choose a right triangle, draw a right triangle, shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to flip vertical, reduce it, make it more thinner as possible. Alright, and then I'm going to put it exactly on top of this one. So let me just give some darker color so that it will be visible. Alright, you can see here I can reduce the size. Okay, if you want, I think this is okay. So now I'm going to put it exactly in the center. This particular thing has to come into the center, you can see here. Alright, now I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D, Alt and the right arrow key from the keyboard to rotate it and put it here again one more time. If it is not coming properly, you can just take the help of with this circular arrow. Okay, alright, so you can see here, press Ctrl D again, Alt, and then again place it here on top of this point, and again make sure that it is properly aligned. Alright, again press Ctrl D. This is some time consuming process, but once it's done it looks good. Again you can see here, and then this is the last one. You can do like this also and put it here. Alright, so you can see here we have done this. Now for a safer side, I'm just going to select this one, right mouse click, and duplicate the slide. If in case something goes wrong, then I have a copy of this one. So now I'm going to delete this part, the circle, the star. Okay, just you can see this circle I have selected, and I'm going to delete that one. Okay, again make sure that this is properly aligned in the center. Now the next thing is I'm going to select all the objects by pressing Ctrl A, go to the shape format, merge shape, and click on the fragment. Alright, now you can see here this has cut into 5 equal parts. So let me just undo this part. Now it's time to delete the unwanted objects which I don't need. You can see here I'm just deleting one by one. Select and delete, and here also I'm going to delete. You can see here like this I can just simply delete, and here also I need to delete. Alright, maybe here also, yeah, you can see here now I have deleted. Okay, now I'm going to select this shape and I'm just going to give a different color. Alright, you can see here I can give maybe this color, and then I can give any color as per my requirement. So this also I need to delete. So now I can just give, for example, I can start with the gold color, then I can start with orange, you can see here purple. Alright, and then pink and purple, and then the turquoise color. Okay, and then this particular shapes actually I would like to make it white. If I make it white, it will not be visible. So for that I'm going to change the background color, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to fill this with white color. Alright, if you want some nice images, you can copy it from the internet. So you can see here I have just copied this image. Okay, so I can just say Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and I can just send this to back like this. Okay, so but anyway, that we can do it later, not now. So once this is done, I'm going to add few more oval shapes here at the top. Okay, for that go to insert shapes. I'm going to select the oval shape, draw the oval shape. You can see here, let me just make it transparent to understand. Shape outline, make it no outline, and I would like this. Okay, so I'm going to cut this one. So to do that one, I'm going to select both the shapes, this shape only. Okay, and hold the shift key, select this shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate, bring it here. Then I'm going to select this one, hold the shift key, select this one, and I'm going to click on subtract, and I can just give maybe a golden color. I don't want this one, and let me just put it here. You can see here exactly, you can put it like this on top of this. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, again rotate it and put it here. You can zoom in so that you can do it easily. Alright, press Ctrl D to duplicate, come to this end, alright. So one by one I'm just going to do it. It's a time consuming process, but we cannot do much more than this. Alright, you can see here, yeah, and then the last one I'm going to put it here. Alright, yes. So now let's change the color according to the color selection. I'm going to choose this color here. This will be our orange color, this would be a pink, and this will be a purple color. So you can see here we have done this one. Now you can go to insert, and you can insert some icons. I'm going to insert 5 different icons. So some random icons, I'm just selecting this one and click on insert, bring this side. I'm going to make the height and width as 0.5 and white color, and then put each option on top of this oval shape. Once this is done, you can just group it one by one also. Okay, select and group. Select this, hold the shift key and group. Alright, and then go to insert text box, and I'm going to type 1, center align. I'm going to use the font Open Sans Extra Bold, make it a white font, and I'm going to put it here. If you want, you can give some shadow effect also. Let me just increase the size also. This is 1, Control D. Just put the options here, and then later on you can rename it. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then go to insert text box. You can add detail text here. I can use the Open Sans font, maybe a dark gray, center align, reduce the font size and put it here. Control D to duplicate. And that's it. Your design is done, and in the center you can add the headline. Again, make it bold, increase the size and put it here. Alright, and this one it doesn't look gray clear, properly, so I'm going to insert one more oval shape. Maybe I'm going to make it as 1.8 height and 1.8 width. Shape fill white. Go to the effects. I'm going to give a 3D rotation and select this option and put it here exactly in the center, and then send this to back. So you can see here our design is done, and then you can add some basic animation effect to it.